Alright, this is just testing March 16th, March 17th, testing, showing the test station, what we used, Service Pack 3. On that, I just want to show System Restore is enabled. If we open up the Windows updates, we'll see that that will be completely up to date. So I just wanted to show that the software that we were using was completely up to date. So I'm also going to put the viruses that were on here to the test to see what no antivirus does against the viruses, the antiviruses that we put to the test today. Really did. So let's open up the internet. And let's infect this machine with 0 antivirus protection. Don't do this. It's very bad. You can get kicked off your internet providers. You can get kicked off your internet. Rogers and Norton will literally say you're cut off if you do this. Don't do this. I'm letting these viruses in right now to see what they do, just to show you firsthand what those what the antiviruses that I tested today. Norton Internet Security 2010. Malwarebytes Anti-Malware is the program that we use to scan all of them down with. That seems to find everything. We also tested Avast, we tested AVG, we tested Node32. To name the few, we tested Bitdefender. My antivirus our firewall just got wiped out. And we're just going to find another one here. Put them to the test. See what they find. So that if there is a comparison between no antivirus and a antivirus, that it be shown. Don't think I did that one. So, gonna run all these. They all get run. And that's what we did the testing with. Except Norton and Node32, they didn't find anything with those 5. So, they seem to have stopped it pretty good. So let's see what we got in here for virus activity. It just looks like the one, actually. Very interesting. So let's update the Malwarebytes Anti-Malware and run a system scan with that. And once that's done, I'll be back. Alright, I just updated it. I just want to come back. I want to show you whenever I test a system, what I do is I create a snapshot. So whenever it's pre-infected, so that there's nothing on it, it's all up to date, everything's working good, I make a snapshot, okay, in VMware. Great software, by the way. If you want to go out and do what I do, definitely purchase this program. It's definitely a good program. As you can see, it's finding some stuff there. Looks like it's going to be loaded. But yeah, in here you can revert to snapshot and no antivirus, all updated. So I'll infect it, and to quickly get back, I can revert to that. So it allows me to infect this machine as badly as I want and revert back. So all of these tests were done one after another with this one same system. Nothing has changed. This system with all the Windows updates and everything up to date is the system that I've been testing them with. There's no trickery here or anything. They're the same websites that we're going to. Now, different antiviruses will protect differently than others. So just because these 5 links do really good with, say, Norton and Node32 doesn't mean that they're better antiviruses. It just means that the other ones aren't that good with these particular links. I do like Node32. I prefer Norton Internet Security 2010. But, you know, the other ones, I wouldn't judge them so harshly, but they did fail. So, you know, don't want to make it too unkind. I just want to make it very clear that they were evenly tested on the same day. I mean, it's March 17th, but look at the time. It's 12:15 midnight. So just by barely. The AVG was the one that failed the most. I give that one the lowest rating tonight. The Avast, basically the same thing, but it did a little bit more. It did warn me of one of the websites, so it did do two. The AVG is a little bit more. Do you want me to stop it? And you can't always rely on that. People might just be like, yeah, sure, I do want to. So I am giving AVG the lower mark of the two of those. Bitdefender would be the next one. It let a lot of bad things through, Trojan horses, things that you don't want to let through for sure. Things that the free ones actually did stop. So it's not something that you really normally see, with the paid versions doing worse at protecting you against Trojan horses than the free ones. So, but Nod32 and Norton, I'd say Nod32 was 8, 9 out of 10, and definitely Norton Internet Security was 10 out of 10. As you can see, if you infect yourself with these, you will get the full 18. And if you take a look, it's a very nasty thing. Not a good thing at all. Do not do this. You do not want to get these viruses on your system unless you're a technician and don't mind doing some extra work or running a virtual machine, as I've shown here. These things are nasty, and if we find all these in here, and the other antiviruses didn't. Nod32 did very well, and so did Norton Internet Security. But I just want to show that there's no trickery here. There is stuff, that did get through the other ones. And I'm just going to show you right now. Reverting back. And right back to where we started. And, no viruses on here whatsoever. Everything is clean. That one process, of course, won't be in here. So, a clean installation. This is what I've been doing to test with, and I just want to show that there's no trickery involved. 18 viruses in total that were infectious on these. I believe AVG and Avast only found something like 12. So it let through 12 of 18. The Bitdefender did let 2 through, but they were 2 really bad ones. So I do give that a very bad rating because of that. Nod32 stopped every one of them. So did Norton. Nod32, though, just didn't alert me whenever it stopped it. So I could have tried harder to try and get that file if I didn't know that that was a virus. It just wasn't descriptive enough, but it did allow updating of the website to known viruses. So it allows you to update. So I did like that one. Norton Internet Security, though, overall, definitely support that. I say it's a good product. Use it. That's it. I'm signing off.